Hello everyone. Today's story is a funny little story about this little boy and his granny. But she's no ordinary granny, as we're going to find out in this book. So the title is The Trouble with Gran, and the author of this book today is Babette Cole. Let's see what happens. The trouble with Gran is, secretly, she's an alien. None of the other OAPs suspected a thing. Until our teacher tried to organize an outing for them to Worthrop as our school project. But we want to go somewhere hot and exciting, said Gran. Sit down and be quiet, snapped the teacher. Worthrop was awful. Gran started to play up. We went to an old-time music hall. Gran did not like the singing. And there was a glamorous grandma contest. Gran cheated, of course. She really livened up at the fun fair. We were asked to leave the amusement arcade. On the lunar landscape tour, Gran met some friends. She took them to tea rooms. Oh dear. So we missed the bus home. Teacher blamed Gran. We've had enough of this dump, said Gran. Fasten safety belts. Oh my goodness, look. Up and away. We zoomed towards Gran's planet and landed just in time for carnival. Doesn't that look very exciting, boys and girls? Gran did the limbo and climbed a bloomer nut tree. Oh my goodness. We were sad to leave, but Gran had to get home to feed the cat. We landed in the school playground with a bump. Mum and Dad marched Gran away. You're too old for that sort of thing now, they said. That's what they think, muttered Gran. When she got home, she opened her own travel agency in Dad's garage. Well, boys and girls, what did you think of that little story? I hope you really enjoyed it. I loved reading it because I found it so funny to see all the funny things that Gran did. What was your favourite part? Maybe you can have a chat to your mum or your dad, whoever's looking after you, and tell them what your favourite part of that book was. Okay, see you tomorrow.